Why? But my ears burn. Did you try blinking? No, I didn't try blinking. What class do you learn that in? Oh, hey, Crafty. Hey, what's wrong with you? Oh, nothing. I'm fine. I just got a headache. I mean, did you eat breakfast? Nah, I was in a rush to eat. I had to get to school, but I woke up early. I'm no late. Oh, well, if you're hungry, then I got snacks, what can I say about it? Snacks in my backpack if you want any. I appreciate it, but no, I think I'll be fine. Suit yourself. My eyes burn. Just close them. Darn. Alright, class. We're going to start off this day with the test. Your all favorites day of the month of the year. We're going to get started early, so I'm just going to pass them out real quick. Okay, that was so fast. I didn't even know what time it was. Okay, so when I say start, you guys should start. Excuse me. What are you doing? I said to start when I say start. Start. He said start. He said start. He said start. Yeah, he said start. What? No! Don't start yet. So, we didn't start? Until I say start. Start. And until I hear the word, I want to hear no talking, just the pencils on the paper. And also your stomach growling or any other noises like that. Okay then, you may all begin. So do we start or no? He didn't say start? Yeah, he didn't say start. Yeah, he didn't say start. Start. Ah, yeah. Okay, that's what we've been waiting for. Huh? Excuse me, can you keep it down? I'm trying to do my test. Yeah, I think I'll take those snacks about right now. Too late, I already given them picky. Who keep making those noises? Don't let me find out which one of you it was. Okay, it seems like the noise stopped, so I'm just gonna go back to work. Okay, who is it? I know one of y'all did it. Hobby? Whoa, don't look at me. I heard it coming from Crafty. Huh? So I've been sitting next to Crafty this whole time, and I'm 100% sure that she is not making those noises. What would you have to say about this, Crafty? I think it's Piggy, to be honest with you. Huh? Yeah, never mind. I think I can agree with that. Yeah, I think I can agree with that. I guess so. Yeah. Yeah, she's been kind of sus. Very sus. Well, Gina, what do you have to say for that? I mean, Picky. Wait, what was going on? I was just having a feast right. Where did my feast go? Well, I guess I say that in favor of dueling on Piggy, say aye. Aye. Alright, now I'm just gonna go eat here. I'm just gonna grab your legs.